Say hi, Baby Lee. Say, I'm gonna eat green beans for the first time today. Yay! Here we go. Open up. Yum yum. Eat your green beans. You like them? Baby Lee eats green beans for the first time today. And I think he likes them. She like them? He's looking at Quayshawn's pizza. No, over here. Here we go. Oh. Give me my spoon back. Okay.
He's strong, baby.
He is strong. Okay. Open up. Open. 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 Baby Lee.
He's not going to open it for real.
Thank you, Quayshawn. Open up. Eat your green beans. Eat your green beans. Ah. Ah. Open up.
Keep looking at that. You want to...
Oh, yummy.
I thought he was going to...
Yummy. Good boy.
I thought he was going to throw up.